influencing modern manufacturing for healthier water bodies. In the heart of modern manufacturing, water bodies play a crucial role, yet their preservation is often overlooked. Innovative technologies now allow us to minimize waste, making cleaner production a reachable goal. Sustainable practices, like recycling water in the manufacturing process, can significantly reduce environmental impact. Local communities thrive when industries commit to protecting nearby water bodies, ensuring a healthier ecosystem. Influencing change requires collaboration between governments, industries, and citizens, aiming for regulations that protect our natural resources. Education and awareness are key. By understanding the impact of pollutants, we can advocate for greener manufacturing methods. Together, we can forge a path towards a future where manufacturing and water bodies coexist in harmony, safeguarding our planet.